Welcome back to another video. Today we have some killer deals, including a miter saw. Yes, a DeWalt miter saw that just came down on price. This is a killer deal. All right, let's go ahead and get started. To start here, we got this port gas 1 gallon for $17, down from $17.97, so about 90 cents off. $49 down from $119. Is expanded from Ryobi. And then we got this mystery box. This is 18 volt brushless cordless A2 combo kit, $300 down from $599. I looked it up and it seems like it's rigid, so rigid 5.2 or A2 combo kit. $229 for this pack out. We're still gonna wait on the sale on that one. That was not the best price. You got the Makita 40 volt XGT, $329. This is not bad, guys. This is actually pretty top tier hammer drill and impact driver with a lot of technology built into these, and pretty nice sizable batteries there. Check this out. This is the star of the show, basically. This is the DeWalt Flex Bolts. Check out the price on it, $350 up from $699. I've been seeing this all over Deal Team 6, and first time I saw this, I'm not gonna ever gonna see this, but yeah, they did have two of these puppies. So guys, if you're in the area, these are located in Mesa, East Mesa, Arizona. I believe it's Chrisman and the 60. That's the Home Depot. Anyways, you got the Glide Top stand, $35 down from $36.98. This was on just on the lumber section. You got the Dremel, the Solutions electric screwdriver, $39 down from $49. Then this one's $139 down from $179 for the Ultra Saw kit. It's pretty nice, kind of like a mini saw. And there's the screwdriver. Those are all rechargeable. And then they got this Milwaukee circular saw and hammer drill set. This is $299 from $349, and it does include a 4 amp hour battery charger. But just to a quick reference, check the price on this one. This one's just a 7.25, $449. For the other one, the other one's a slider, and it is to a 12-inch miter saw, battery powered, and still it's only $350. That is a killer deal for that miter saw. We got the height adjustment here, work table. This is $329, and then we got some toolboxes here, really nice. Smaller 42-inch toolbox, 8 drawers, $368. You get the red, the black, and then check out this orange one, really orange with black. Really like the contrast of the color. This one's $548. This is a 52-inch 10 drawer. So pretty nice what they did with this type of toolbox. You got $549. This is guys, I don't know if it's this one exactly or the 779. I believe it's the 779. This is around $200 and something. I seen it at Deal Team 6. Make sure you guys double check your stores, guys. Double check those prices, because I believe the 779 and that flex bolt that I just showed you guys are going on clearance. So make sure you guys double check those. But check out the articulation on this one. And check out you can even put that against the wall, and you're not going to have a problem with that one. And then you got some Milwaukee hand tools here. Check this hammer. This one's a really nice hammer. It does have a magnet there, so you guys can get it started. So pretty nice. I really like the materials on that one. Got the Shockwave 45-piece impact bit set, $19.97. It is a pretty nice set for $19. It does include that extension there to the left. That's a really nice extension. That's pretty much needed in every garage. And then you got the regular 2-inch and 1-inch bits. You got the air tip from Milwaukee, $49 from $59. It's not a bad deal for this kit. It does include all sorts of kits, including for cars and stuff like that, detailing. $149 for this vacuum. Now, I heard bad things about this one, like it's not powerful. Let us know in the comment section if you run that one and how well does it do. You got $399 from $579. This is a Smart Toro. This is a gas mower. You got the 6 amp hour and the 3 amp hour high output batteries down to $139, down from $179. That is a really good deal. Definitely check those out, guys. There's plenty of these on this store. You got the blower and chainsaw for $449. This is 18 volt, 16-inch chainsaw, and then Does include that the 16-inch chainsaw, the blower, which is not the most powerful, but it is pretty good for its size or for the 18 volt. And then the 12 amp hour battery and the rapid charger. Check this one out as well. This was 89 down from 119. It is and then they got the pruning saw as well, but they don't have a price. My guess is probably the same price, but they sold out on the pruning saw. 129 down from 159. This one's brushless trimmer from DeWalt. So pretty nice. That's what it looks like. You got the brushless handheld blower, 159. Again, tool only, pretty nice. That's a good price. And then you got the 2900 psi horizontal engine, 299 down from 349. This is gas. It's already sold out. But check this out. This is the new fan from Milwaukee. Yes, it is a brushless, a brand new fan from Milwaukee. That's what it looks like. It is powered by the extension cord or the battery. And it is 18-inch fan. It is brushless. It is compatible with those batteries. So pretty nice. That's the way it looks. And I did take a screenshot of the Home Depot website so you guys get to see the price. So it is currently at $249. I really like the look of this one. The red blades on these. That is really nice. So definitely check it out, guys. Just a short video for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.